ladies, let's talk about a product that I simply can't live without. This is one of the products that I reorder over and over again, and since I started using it, I truly do not go one day without using it. I use this both day and night. It is the Roche-Posay Cicaplast B5 Serum. This serum, it's creamy and it has honestly saved my skin. Not so long ago, I suffered from perioral dermatitis. And for those of you who don't know what perioral dermatitis is, it's a skin condition. It looks like rosacea. It's a mix between acne, rosacea. It's very strange to even describe it. Like when you look it up, it's like just a huge inflammation, irritation of your skin. It could happen because of hormonal reasons. It could happen because of overuse of actives, which is what I think happened to me, was that I just used so many actives, retinol, and constantly peeling and doing things at home and just overusing some actives. And I think my skin just said, enough is enough, you need to slow down. I broke out around here and it was just this horrible red, irritated rash. It was tight, it was dry. I went to my dermatologist and they suggested to go on antibiotics for 3 weeks. For me, that was horrible because I have already a bad stomach and bad digestive system. So the last thing that I needed was to go on an oral antibiotic for 3 weeks and totally finish killing my system. So I started doing some research, and there's a lot of information out on perioral dermatitis. And one of the things that I found was this cream, with this serum. And what it does, it really helps it helps to rebuild your skin barrier. It helps to soothe your skin and it nourishes it. As you can see, it's this like nice creamy consistency. You just go like this. And every morning after I wash, and every night after I wash and I spray with my rose water, I just put this on my skin. And like I said, I use this day and night. I don't go without it. I really feel, I always concentrate a lot on the areas that I had the perioral dermatitis, but I put it everywhere. I feel that since I've been using this, my skin, it cured my perioral dermatitis. It took it away. It calmed my skin down and truly made a huge difference in getting myself back to normal, because when you have perioral dermatitis, they tell you you've got to stop all your skincare. You basically can't use anything. And this was the only thing that I was using at the time, and it helped me. And it's one of those products that I cannot do without, because I feel that it's just a skin savior. It nourishes, your skin feels so good. It feels like calm, it feels nourished, it just feels amazing. I use it both day and night. Anyone can use this, and like all skin types, reactive skin, super sensitive skin, skin with rosacea. And it's just such a superhero product, to me at least. I hope you like this review and check this out. It's amazing product by Roche-Posay. It's not super expensive. It's like $20 for each bottle. I do buy it on eBay. Sometimes I buy it at other pharmacies online. It's hard to find online. It's hard even to find on Amazon, but it's a product that it's definitely worth having, worth using. It's not going to break your bank, and it's going to definitely save your skin if you are experiencing any kind of skin irritation. Hope you like this. Subscribe, comment, and share any secrets that you may have if you've experienced perioral dermatitis or rosacea or anything that you felt really helped your skin. I would love to hear about that as well.